Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Monday, 13th January 2024. Tabs crosses a line, leaving Vuvu unranged. She gets creative to get what she and her husband wants. Sugo dodged a bullet but must put his best foot forward. Today, 14th January 2025, Soli forced Tabs growing, worrying about unity. A desperate woman's plan pays off. A desperate woman's plan pays off, but she can't help but worry if it will succeed. Day 15 January 2025. Kind gesture and a young man a kiss. Fear of the unknown ridiculous level start. A performer's skeletons almost burst out of his closet. Thursday 16 January 2025. Tabs tricks causes Tiro to freak out and say something he shouldn't. Dala and Hlo are at loggerheads over the candidates. Ntutuko is shocked when he realized how close he was to get caught. Friday 17 January 2025. Vuvu realized she may have bitten off more than she can chew. He struggles with the task at hand, and Zaza is determined to teach Ntutuko a new skill. Monday 20 January 2025. A regret is voiced, but unknown to the lady. She's been stalked. Tabs and Khopolo secure the key clue. Ntutuko is crushing hard. The candidate's stay is cut short when she's caught red-handed. Tuesday, 21 January 2025. Put her foot down and receive a threat. Dala and Chloe are saddened by the evolution. Ntutuko is determined to make his move. But will he succeed? Wednesday, 22 January 2025. The water depth of a dam reveals something shocking. Ntutuko and Zaza share an unexpected tender moment. Thursday, 23 January 2025. Tabs is determined to keep the latest development from Tiro. Hlori and Mdala choose the candidate best suited for them. The Gasa parents discover an item of Ntutuko's that threatened to expose his side hustle. Friday, 24 January. The final piece to an ongoing investigation is put in place. A rumor at Utuliwe stir up fear in the workplace. Ntutuko flirts with danger. Monday, 27 January 2025. A man tries desperately to find a way out when he realizes that the chicken have come home to roast. Dala is stunned to discover a new face in his home. Tuesday, 28 January 2025. Tabs must deliver devastating news. Workers worry about their future as rumors are confirmed. The young man is left questioning his health when he's experiencing sudden and executing pain. Thursday, 29 January 2025. Two ladies struggle to define their relationship. Ntutuko comes to a shocking realization. Thursday, 30 January 2025. Curiosity is packed when there is a new arrival. Ntutuko is out of options. Is forced to seek help for an embarrassing situation. Friday, 31 January 2025. Father is pushed further into a corner where their demands increase. After taking the next big step, and Gabonina plays it safe. Madlomo disturbing discovery confirms that Nhloso is back to his old ways. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share.